All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on something just a little bit different. Hey, where are you at?
Grabbing a blade. Got cut tape open, man.
I'm not going to be talking this whole time.
Yeah, I wanted to open stuff too.
Well, what do you got here, pretty boy?
Oh, over the last couple months, been getting pieces in one by one for a new 9-inch rear end swap in the truck, because the factory one's giving out and doesn't hook all the time. So
Possy's a little tired.
Yeah, a little tired at least. So I figured we'd go out and buy one of the better ones that I can get at the time, and we don't have to worry about it ever breaking. So we've got a quick performance 9-inch, different gear ratio, but everything all brand new. Upgrading to Willwood brakes in the rear. Gonna do the fronts soon-ish when I get around to it.
Yeah, yep.
But just gonna get it started tonight. Get the old one taken out and get the new one set in, hopefully, or see how far we get.
So yeah, kind of go. Well, I guess we can open this up and we kind of can show a little bit more, and then we can show the pumpkin and stuff. But yeah, let's get this open. Oh my goodness, look at that! Quick performance. So tell them a little bit about what you ordered here. I mean, what is this housing? I mean, I get that I get that it's a 9-inch, but what's so special about this 9-inch?
It's got the back brace, it's got internal gusseting, billet ends. Long story short, this rear end is supposed to hold up to about 1200 tire, and I don't necessarily plan on taking it that high, but I'll never have to worry about breaking anything, twisting anything, or getting stuck at the track because I broke a rear end part and I can't race anymore.
Right. I mean,
so this is kind of the end all be all rear end for the foreseeable future for the truck.
For sure. Yeah, I mean, about the only thing that we probably will ever have to worry about breaking maybe is probably an axle, which, I mean, that's a given with anything high horsepower, especially later on if this truck does get a trans brake. Possibility of, you know, breaking an axle, or, you know, it could break the third member or whatever, but I highly doubt it. So, but enough of talking. I don't want to bore you guys too much. We're just going to go ahead and dive in. We're going to get the truck the rest of the way lifted up in the air, and we're going to start diving in and pulling this rear end down. So if you guys didn't catch in the time lapse, I ended up railing my head on the driveline. Christian's like, "Hey, is the driveline gonna be okay there? Just chilling there?" Oh yeah. Not even 2 minutes later, I rail the side of my head straight into that driveline. Yeah, epic stuff. But okay, where are we at, Christian?
Closer.
What do you mean
and
closer?
a sore head.
Yeah.
Gonna take the blocks out, grease some stuff up, get it lubricated.
Well, I mean, the rear end's ready.
Out.
Yeah, the rear end's ready to come out.
Mm-hmm.
So let's lower down the truck on the hoist, and then we'll yard this guy on out. I'm hanging on for dear life.
Do some pull-ups.
one-handed. Oh yeah.
All right, princess.
All right, let's set you guys down so you can watch this.
Back on time lapse.
No,
Oh.
watch this stupidity unfold. Okay, go to that side.
You're driving another on the.
Go on.
What? That's it.
There's not even any nuts holding the stupid leaf springs together. Backyard mechanics.
Alright, so
Go your way. Okay. Stop. Okay, now lower it down.
you got that?
Yeah. No, set it down right there. Come into the inside. Close it up. Okay.
Alright, go down.
Alright, well, rear end is out. Sweet. You can tell how that's how it's at. Alright, we're going to test fit the housing and see if it's actually going to work. Oh yeah! Look at me go!
Alright, listen. It just has to sit down in the hole. No. Do that.
Oh, look at that!
Perfect! We're all shiny.
I mean, it don't really fit in my hole worth of crap, but... Wow, quick performance. Good job. It lines right up with everything. I mean, given we're not putting it back together yet, but... Damn, good job. Wow. That looks pretty good in there.
I don't think it would look bad like that. Just kind of accent the whole quick performance label.
Yeah,
on
I
it.
definitely say we need to paint like in here to make this stand out.
Yeah.
Take a little paintbrush. I mean, we'll get my dad out here. He likes doing that stuff with a little paintbrush. Tee, 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 tee.
Come out on a day when he's not busy doing anything.
Yep.
Now here you go, Steve. Paint away to your heart's content. Squirrel!
Where?
Running!
How far?
Really far!
Whee!
Oh, God.
Oh man.
Shop shenanigans. What's up? So we're ready for final assembly of the new 9-inch in the S15. Got the axles out, got the pumpkin out. And I don't know if we showed you guys this or not. We might have done a little thing while it was still under the wraps and whatnot.
But here's this pumpkin, brand new case, billet yoke, 350 gears, spool, 35 spline. Should not break.
No, let's hope.
But so we definitely had fun trying to figure out this whole pinion angle on this truck. So this whole video has been like over a course of a few weeks, that and just been working on a bunch of other stuff at the same time. But ended up ordering a set of these steel blocks to get away from the aluminum ones, and these had a 3-degree already tapered down to them, and ended up having to cut these apart and making essentially my own blocks and redoing the angle to get this to where the rear end needed to actually be. So as of right now, we have about -3 to -3.5 degrees of downward pinion angle, which is fine for the Caltrack system. So that was definitely a challenge and a half to figure that one out. A lot of trial and error of figuring out what pinion angle is going to work and what wasn't. So definitely a learning curve on that one.
Yeah.
But let's pick up this heavy pumpkin and let's get it popped in. I know you just look like you're so excited about it.
No, not at all. Heavy son of a gun.
Be gentle with her. There you go. All right, let's set the camera down so I can help him. So we got the axles in, pumpkins bolted down, got our Willwood vacuum plates bolted on. At least my side's done, and we're missing a stud. It's on its way. Christian wants me to double check to make sure these are tight.
Yeah, you always go tighter. Okay.
Sure it spins over nice. Yep. A little tight, but that's expected for it being brand new. Got no gear oil yet.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I guess we can bolt together your cool looking discs to the hubs. And we can put those on, I'm assuming, and then we should be able to bolt the calipers on and wrap this video up. Minus brake lines, but you guys don't need to see that. It's just brake lines. Hey, where did you go?
Sending Jake from State Farm a picture of the rotors.
Jake from State Farm. Isaac, say hello to the YouTube world again.
No, hello, YouTube.
Well, the rear end is officially in. Rotors bolted on. Calipers are bolted on. The last thing that we have left to do is brake lines, but we're just going to do that later.
Getting there. Tonight was probably the most progress we've made in a bit with this rear end swap.
Yeah.
That feels good. Finally.
Yeah. Threw some paint on it. A little bit of touch-up paint, but
Got the driveline put back in after having it shortened and
the
switched
yoke,
around.
yeah, the yoke changed to the 9-inch yoke. Was it the 1350 U-joint or whatever?
1350 billet, yep.
So, well, really all we got left to do, like I said, is the brake lines, and then we just need to wait until we put it on the ground to hook up the cow tracks and readjust these, because I'm sure this is all going to be out of whack. And we need to readjust all this anyways for, actually readjust it the correct way with Christian sitting in the truck.
Yeah, we should have done that a long time ago, but didn't know to do that. Now we do.
But that's okay. We'll get it figured out. Huge thanks to Calvert Racing for filling me in on all the info that we needed as far as pinion angle, how to set it up, and then how to set these up correctly and all that. So,
Shocks are bolted back up too.
yeah. I guess another thank you to Quick Performance for the 9-inch. It went a little, I guess it wasn't as easy as we thought,
Yeah.
but that's okay. Still,
Figured it out. Got it done right.
Still, the rear end is awesome. Looks awesome. I'm sure it's going to perform awesome. So
I'm excited.
yeah, the gear ratio is going to hurt you a little bit until we get some of that boosties on it, but it's okay.
Yeah.
I
In due time.
think I got some plans that we can do with it within the computer to get some more mile an hour, maybe some more ET out of it, even with the way it is. So we're going to try some stuff this year and see if it'll work, see if it won't. If not, we just revert back to the old tune.
Yep.
So,
See how it goes.
Yep. Does Isaac have anything to say to the world?
No.
No.
I think ready for bed.
Yeah, it's past Isaac's bedtime.
He had his tacos. He's good.
I want
He's
tacos.
comfy. God.
Y'all making me hungry.
I'm going to have a salad when I go home.
Ooh, that even sounds good.
Uh-huh.
Well, I guess we're going to finish this video up here.
Sounds good to me.
So, hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Hopefully the next video we do on this will be all completely done, 100%.
Well, for sure. Next video you'll see this will be up and running and with 2 new parts probably ready to be installed. So keep an eye out for that video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later.